Thanks for taking the time to learn about our ResolveIQ interface. Let's quickly walk through all the features so you get the most out of this tool. So first, in order to get here, your organization will be given a unique URL. And ours, for example, is 2wtech.resolveiq.net, so it'd be something similar to that. And you must be logged into your Microsoft account. So once you have those two things squared away, you will enter this screen. First thing you probably notice is the announcement bar. So we will use this to share information with your organization about maintenance and other important news that may affect you in this tool. You as an organization will also have access to send out announcements to the rest of your organization if you have admin rights. So if you navigate to the top right corner, you're going to see these three lines. If you click into that, there are a couple drop-down menus. The first one is a ResolveIQ module list. This shows you all the modules your organization has access to and the ones you could add on in the future if you choose. Either way, you can click into the individual modules and get a quick explainer video, kind of like this one, about the purpose of the module and how best to use it for maximized benefit. The checkboxes to the right of the modules are what we call focused intent. This allows you to choose specific ones to get a more predictable output. You don't have to check any boxes, but it might help if you're looking for something uncommon. For example, if you're putting in a meeting transcript, but you aren't looking for a summary, then I would check the ResolveIQ bot module so it doesn't automatically summarize the meeting. Another thing to point out that you may have noticed, checking some of these boxes also brings up some quick prompts that you can just click. Aside from that, you can see a drop-down for chat history. This keeps all your conversations and allows you to title them for future continuation or just reference. You also have the option to erase individual conversations and erase all history as well. And then in the bottom right corner, you can switch back and forth between light and dark mode. Moving on, you can see this brush icon and plus icon. These both are responsible for wiping the conversation clean. However, the plus icon will save it into your chat history so you can reference it later, while the brush icon will wipe it away completely, not allowing you to revisit it. So keep that in mind. You do see some options in the conversation box itself. One, you can see this download PDF button. This allows you to save it right to your computer, as well as you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, the thumbs up and thumbs down. These allow you to provide real-time feedback, allowing the system to continuously learn so it produces the content that you desire. And then to the right, you have this attach file button. This allows you to bring up your file folder and choose which files you want to include with your prompt. You are also able to drag and drop your files into the chat as well. And then last, you have this share button. So this essentially generates a link for you to share with other ResolveIQ users in your organization. This not only allows them to view the conversation you're viewing, but it also allows them to continue that conversation under their own user ID, making for a great collaboration tool. This link then can be pasted wherever you please. Remember, if you have any issues or questions, please reach out to helpdesk@2wtech.com. And remember, we are constantly looking to improve this interface, so things might not look exactly the same as they do in this video, but we will keep you updated on the latest and greatest.